Botched the task. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, botched the task. It's a phrase you might come across in English conversations, movies, or books, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and use of botched the task together. Botched the task is an expression used to indicate that someone attempted to do something but failed due to a mistake, carelessness, or poor execution. It's not just about failing, but failing in a way that suggests a lack of skill, attention, or planning. The word botched really gives us the feeling that the task was not just undone, but undone poorly. To better understand botched the task, let's look at some examples. Example 1. He was supposed to prepare the presentation by today, but he totally botched the task and all the data was incorrect. Example 2. The baker botched the task of making the wedding cake, and it collapsed before the ceremony. In these examples, you can see that the phrase is used to highlight not just failure, but a clumsy or ineffective attempt at completing a task. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are some phrases that have a similar meaning to botched the task. Messed up the job, made a hash of it, screwed up the assignment, fumbled the task. These phrases can be used interchangeably, depending on the context and the tone you wish to convey. Now, let's see how you can use botched the task in your daily English conversations. When talking about a project at work or school, I really hope I don't botch the task. I've been preparing for weeks. Discussing a past experience, I botched the task last time, but I've learned from my mistakes. Remember, using such phrases not only makes your English sound more natural, but it also allows you to express yourself more precisely. Thank you for joining me today to explore the phrase, botched the task. Remember, making mistakes is a part of learning a new language, so even if you feel like you've botched a task in your language learning journey, every mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try using new phrases and expressions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.